Hi, okay, let's do a quick unboxing to this package. I think I know what it is. Okay, this is a laser projection keyboard, meaning that you can connect with Bluetooth to your phone or computer, and then you have a keyboard like you see in the picture here, which means it is lighting like a laser light, and then when you press with your finger on the keyboard it should act like a keyboard. Okay, so let's see what we have inside this box. Okay, this is a very tiny instrument. You can see my hand compared to the size of this one. The brand name is something probably Chinese. Very small, can pick it in my hand, and I don't actually know how to work with it yet. Okay, but I can see that I have a manual and probably charging cable to charge it. This is a micro USB regular, like in all Galaxy phones, Galaxy old phones. And okay, you can see that when I'm powering it, oh, this is nice. Oh, it's actually working. I'm not connecting it to any device yet, but indeed this looks amazing. I will turn off the light so you will be able to see, because the light here is very strong. So, whoa, this is nice. It is actually, I will, okay, now I am lighting a lower light, and this actually looks much better than I thought. I can see, okay, the LED on the right, it is lighting when I'm pressing the keyboard, and probably near the laser is the detector. It is, I have to say, I'm impressed, because this is a pretty cheap instrument. It cost me about maybe $20 or $30 US dollars, and I'm impressed because the connection will probably work. I will later connect it to my laptop, or you can connect it to iPad or any phone with a Bluetooth, and it is pretty impressive, I have to say. And as you can see, the light now is lower. Okay, it is like, okay, it is like going to standby. So the laser, actually the laser light becomes lower when you're not using the keyboard for a few seconds, probably to save the battery life, and then it lights on. I'm not sure how much time it can work with the battery till the juice is off, but I will check it, and probably maybe later do another movie to get some details about the usability and the performance. So thank you very much for now, and bye bye.